Yo, what is up everyone? It is your boy Crypto Crunch here, and today I'm going to show you how I make a fake mint website for a client. This is a client project, and he wants me to do a fake mint website for Bored Ape Yacht Club. And yeah, I'm going to show you how I do it. Very simple, the template I use and the template he wants. So yeah. So, first step is that we need to get some pictures of these apes that we can use on our website. So I will probably go on OpenSea because they don't have any pictures on the Discord. So I'm going to type Bored Ape Yacht Club and we'll grab some pictures. So I'll grab this one and save it. Right, so now I'm on a website called easygift.com, and pretty much you can just make easy gifts with it. Just put in the pictures or videos, and it will turn your files into a GIF. So we're gonna use that for our website and our placeholder, just like this. Yeah, perfect. And I'm gonna call this main. It's gonna be a main placeholder. I have my website here. My website template, and all I have to do is just drag in the new images and make sure it's correct. So here, it's gonna be main, replace it, and then I'm gonna make a background soon. So right now, if you look, this is what it looks like. I have a Bored Ape Yacht Club. Pretty much all we're doing is just changing the background and just changing the text. That simple. So yeah, let's make a background. Let's go on Photoshop. This is an example of what I made earlier. Of a background for a project I made. I'm just going to use this as a template because I know how the sizing works. It works well. You can use any image, by the way. So right now I'm just going to paste in some images. I think I already used this image actually. Maybe this one. Alright, so I'm going to bring up the file here. Is this the right one? I think it's the right one. Yeah, it's the right one. Alright, so I'm going to bring it here, an image, and we're going to replace it. Make sure that the names are the same. The BG. Okay, I'm going to delete this first. BG. And that way, your website will now show as this. I think it's a bit, sizing's alright, so I'm going to adjust that. So I'll put this a bit lower. Let me check actually. A bit lower to the left. Yeah, a bit lower to the left, I'd say. Boom. Background. I have to change the text, which is pretty easy. So you just go here, index, and you need to download something called Visual Studio Code. Pretty much what you do is just change the text. So here you have Salt Slutty, so you just change it to Bored Ape Yacht Club, and then what else? What else do we change? Yeah, and all you hear is Bored Apes. Oh no. Bored Apes distributed. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Save it, type in your index, and look, Bored Apes entity distributed. You can change the wording obviously, and the color, and yeah, that's simple.